Hello friends. Recently, WhatsApp has introduced stickers which can be shared within the WhatsApp chats. In this video, we will learn how to download stickers, how to arrange them, how to create custom-made stickers, etc. In this video, we will go through about stickers in detail. Stickers are introduced from WhatsApp version 2.18.341 and are available for both Android and iOS devices. If your WhatsApp version is older than 2.18.341, you can go to Play Store and update it. To check WhatsApp version, we can go to WhatsApp settings, tap on Help, then tap on App Info. To use this feature, let's open a chat in WhatsApp. Here tap on emoji or smiley icon. In the bottom bar, we can see a new icon just right to GIF. Let's tap this new icon. Just below the message box, number of new icons will appear, which are nothing but different categories of stickers. Let's tap one of them. Stickers under this category will pop up. We can tap on any sticker to send it. The first icon is for recently used stickers. Next to this is for favorites, which include stickers that have been marked favorite by us. If we want to save a sticker for future, tap the sticker and add to favorites so that the sticker is saved under favorites. Let's add one more sticker to favorites. The added stickers are visible under favorites category. To remove any sticker from favorites category, long tap them, then tap on remove. Same procedure can be used to remove stickers from recently used category as well. Apart from these pre-installed stickers, we can download more sticker packs. For this, let's tap on this plus icon to access WhatsApp sticker store. The list of sticker packs is visible here. We can tap on the download icon to download the individual pack. Android users have the option to get more stickers. For this, tap on Get More Stickers, which takes us to Google Play Store, from where we can download apps of sticker packs. Once app is installed, we can open the app to access the list of sticker packs. On tapping plus icon, we get the option to add the sticker pack to our WhatsApp. If we delete this app from our device, all the sticker packs added using this app will also be deleted from WhatsApp. However, we can add stickers to our favorites before deleting the app to retain them. Added sticker packs will be visible along with pre-installed packs. We can always arrange the order of these sticker packs or delete any specific pack if needed. For this, tap on plus icon and then tap on My Stickers tab. Here, the list of all added sticker packs is available. We can delete any sticker pack from here. To rearrange the position of the stickers, long tap these lines and drag them to desired order. Apart from recently used and favorites category, we can rearrange order of other sticker packs as per our choice. As our list of packs grows, this rearranging feature helps us to order the most used packs at the beginning. Stickers forwarded do not get labeled as forwarded, similar to GIFs and smileys. We have seen the process of using, downloading and arranging the stickers. Now let's understand the process of creating stickers. For this, a third-party app will be needed, so let's go to Play Store. Let's search for app Sticker Maker for WhatsApp by Vico & Co. and install. If you are creative enough, you can make stickers and circulate in your social circle and share your creativity with others. It's very easy and real fun to create stickers. Let's open this app. Here, tap on Create a new sticker pack. Let's name the sticker pack. The maximum permissible characters are 30. Here let's fill our name. Here also the character limit is 30. Now let's tap on Create. Here tap on our newly created sticker pack. Maximum 30 stickers can be created in one pack. In order to recognize this sticker pack, a thumbnail or a tray icon is needed. For this, let's tap here to choose an image. Sticker Maker is seeking permission to access photos, media, etc. on our device. Let's allow. Let's select an image and tap on Open. Let's draw an outline boundary. If you are not happy, you can always tap on No Try Again and redraw. You can keep trying till you are satisfied. Once you are happy, tap here to save this. We have created thumbnail and yet to create stickers. To create first sticker, let's tap on the first box. To create a sticker, either we can click a photo and create, or can choose any existing image from our device. When we crop the image by drawing a rough outline, the sticker will not be sharp due to left out background. For this, we should select an image having transparent background. But always it is not available. No worries. We have apps available to remove the background. We will discuss about this shortly. Let's tap on Publish Sticker Pack to publish this pack. In the confirmation window, let's tap on Yes Publish. Here it is mentioned that there should be at least 3 stickers in order to publish the pack. Let's tap on OK and go back to create more stickers. Once the sticker pack is published, no more stickers can be added in the same pack. So it is advisable to create maximum stickers and then publish. Otherwise we have to start with a new sticker pack. Now let's publish this sticker pack. It is seeking permission to be added to WhatsApp. Let's tap on Add. This pack is added to WhatsApp. Let's check it. Here we can see new sticker pack thumbnail. All 4 stickers are available here. The backgrounds of the stickers are visible and the stickers are not as they should be. We should have selected the image with transparent background. Let's see the process of erasing the background. For this, we will install an app, Background Eraser. Let's load an image here. This app is seeking permission to access media, photos, etc. on our device. Let's allow. First of all, let's crop the image as close as possible. There are erasing tools available at the bottom. Using them, we can erase the background. This process will take some time, so I will pause the video. We can see that more or less the complete background has been erased. Now this image can be saved and used for making sticker. I have made a sticker using this image, which looks pretty sharp and good. Using the WhatsApp Sticker Maker app, we can create and publish maximum 10 sticker packs. These sticker packs are available on our WhatsApp only. Stickers shared by us can be added by receiver to their favorites or forwarded, but they cannot access our sticker packs. There is news that WhatsApp is going to bring search feature for stickers, just like emojis. If introduced, it will be helpful to search specific type of stickers. Let's conclude this video here. If you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up icon. Please also share this video in your social circle. It will encourage us to upload more videos. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel A1 Help. Please also click on bell icon to get notifications of our forthcoming videos. For any query or suggestion, please leave a message in the comment box. Let's meet again in next video. Thanks for watching till end. Bye.